Friends, now we want to learn the use of mod function. Mod function is used to return the modulus value, the result of remainder after division. The mod function returns the remainder of one number divided by another number. The syntax of mod function is that first argument is dividend and second argument is divisor. There are two examples given here. One is select mod 11,3. It means 11 to be divided by 3. Its remainder 3 multiply 3 9 and remainder is 2. Student, it is very easy to find out the remainder with the use of mod function. We can find out the remainder of real value also. In this example, we are having 10.5 as the number and passing second argument as divisor 3. 3 multiply 3, that is 9. Now 10.5 minus 9, that is 1.5. Because why we are multiplying it with 3? Because if we multiply it with 4, the result will be 12. So the dividend is below 12. That's why we are multiplying here 3. But actually it is division operation. 10.5 is to be divided by 3 and result should be in integer form after division operation. So result of division is 3 only, but the remainder is 1.5. Now we practically do this. It will start from student, I making changes here as the argument, and I will change the name of the function here, mod, then bracket, then student I pass 17 comma 4. Student, what should be the answer? 17 is to be divided by 4. Remainder will be 1 only. 4 into 4, 16, and remainder is 1. 17 divided by 4, 4 times it will divide, and remainder will be 1. So its answer is 1. Now I make change here, its argument. I write here 16. 16 divided by 4. It means 4 times. There should be no remainder. It is 0. Now I make change here. 15. 15 divided by 4. It should divide 3 times. Remainder will be 3. Okay. Now I write here 15.34 to be divided by 4. 3.34. So hope that you are a student and getting this one. Its answer is 3.34. Now I divide it by 4.5. This answer will be changed. That is changed. 1.84. It means 4.5 multiply, then next means 15.34 will be divided by 4.5 exactly, and its answer will be 1.84 only. Okay, we take simple example. We are having number 5. Okay, 5.5 we are dividing it with 2. split half, its answer should be 1.5. Its answer is 1.5. Okay, 2 4 5 4.5 divided by 2, it means 2 times, that is 4. Remaining portion is 5. Now point 2.5, 5.5 divided by 2.5. Most of the students will be finding the answer themselves. Here it is 0.5. Why it is? Because 2.5 multiplied by 2, it is 5, and next part cannot be part of 2.5. That's why its remainder is 0.5. So student, whenever it's a complex math based question asked, patientfully you will do it mathematical as well. It's not hard. Okay, thank you.